ASSA ABLOY Entrance Systems is the Carolina's premier source for garage doors and openers. From design to manufacturing to service, ASSA ABLOY is the only garage door provider that is involved in every single step of your door's life. Day or night, our friendly staff gets the job done at a time that works for you. As the official garage door company of the Carolina Panthers, we invite you to give us a call or click today. No one knows garage doors better, so trust no less than ASSA ABLOY for your home.